Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today a quick recipe that will undoubtedly become a staple in your kitchen. The simple mint sauce, starring none other than Colman's garden mint sauce. So picture this: succulent meat, lamb, vibrant vegetables, all graced with that zesty touch of homemade mint sauce. Oh, my mouth's watering. Oh, so if you want to have a tingling taste buds, you're in for a treat. And it's starting with a base of the Colman's garden mint sauce and a sprinkling of sugar and a dash of white vinegar or white wine vinegar. And then all we got to do is mix it up into a mint sauce that suits your palate. That's it. It's a simple mint sauce. Serve over roast lamb or even on salads. It is amazing. And there's a link on the channel if you cannot buy Colman's mint sauce and you want to make a copy of Colman's mint sauce. So I hope you like what we're doing. Like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video.